Millennials and money, mastering the world of personal finance. Millennials are facing a financial battlefield. Rising debt, job insecurity, and staggering costs of living are barriers to wealth. But here's the good news: you don't have to let your finances control you. With a plan, you can turn challenges into opportunities for financial growth and freedom. Are you tired of feeling stuck in your financial journey? You're not alone. Many millennials dream of a secure financial future but feel overwhelmed by budgeting, saving, or investing. Let's break things down and uncover actionable steps to simplify the chaos of money management. Every financial success story starts with a solid budget. The 50/30/20 rule is a game changer. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. This simple ratio ensures every dollar you earn is working toward your goals. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard make tracking your spending fun and stress-free. Think of your budget as your financial GPS, guiding you toward freedom while keeping indulgences guilt-free. Debt is a weight, but it doesn't have to hold you back. The snowball method helps you build momentum by paying off small debts first. Meanwhile, the avalanche method saves on interest by targeting high-interest debts. Choose what fits your mindset and start conquering debt today. Student loans can be daunting, but breaking them into smaller goals makes repayment manageable. Automate payments to avoid late fees, and consider refinancing for lower rates. The faster you tackle debt, the sooner you'll unlock financial freedom. Life can throw curveballs: unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. That's where an emergency fund shines. Start by saving 1 month's expenses, then aim to grow it to 3 to 6 months. Every little bit saved is a step closer to peace of mind. Building an emergency fund doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. Redirect small expenses, like skipping one dinner out a month, into savings. Over time, these small sacrifices become your financial lifeline during turbulent times. Gone are the days of complex ledgers. Millennials have access to digital tools transforming money management. Banking apps alert you to fees, investment platforms like Robinhood and Acorns simplify investing, and financial planning tools like Personal Capital keep your goals within reach. Embrace these tools and supercharge their effectiveness by setting up alerts for bills, savings milestones, or investment updates. Technology is your ally in making informed, powerful decisions for your financial life. Investing feels intimidating, but the earlier you start, the greater your rewards. Begin with simple options like ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which reduce risk while diversifying your portfolio. Even a small amount invested today can snowball into significant wealth over time. Understand the difference between stocks and bonds, or opt for robo-advisors to take the guesswork out. Long-term strategies like focusing on retirement funds ensure growth while protecting you from short-term market hiccups. Investing is the ultimate tool for millennials dreaming big. You can live your best life without breaking the bank. Differentiate between needs and wants by asking, does this expense move me closer to my goals? Small lifestyle adjustments make room for both saving and enjoying your passions. Delayed gratification doesn't mean zero enjoyment. Treat yourself occasionally while investing in experiences that matter. Living within your means helps ensure tomorrow's dreams don't become today's stress. Align your spending with the life you envision. Money is a skill. Learn it, master it. Financial literacy resources are everywhere, from YouTube channels and webinars to audiobooks like Rich Dad, Poor Dad. By understanding concepts such as credit, compounding interest, or taxation, you'll make smarter money moves. If you're unsure where to begin, consider consulting a financial mentor or advisor. Expert advice can pave the path toward achievable, realistic goals, helping you take charge of your finances confidently and effectively. Education today equals empowerment tomorrow. Set financial goals that excite you. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying your first home, or retiring early, planning is the foundation. Revisit and adapt your goals as life changes, ensuring progress no matter the circumstances. Celebrate milestones, like paying off a big debt or hitting a savings target. Remember, personal finance is a marathon, not a sprint, so long-term stability comes from consistent efforts and disciplined decisions over time. Financial success is within reach, it just takes the first step. Start today by creating a budget, paying down debt, or opening your first investment account. Small, steady progress leads to life-changing results. Empower yourself. Share your financial journey, learn from others, and join communities focused on growth. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Take control of your finances and build the life you deserve. Your financial freedom starts now. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.